Greetings. Welcome to week 5. This week is a little unusual. You won't have a quiz and you don't have any readings or videos to watch. We're just continuing the project from last week. I've just finished grading all the projects. They look good. People have gotten the idea that you need to divide the samples into two groups, Group A and Group B. Everyone has selected the best feature, the RPL22 mutation, and has subdivided the samples into the two groups. Now this week we're going to continue the same process. We're going to analyze Group A by selecting the best mutation and then subdividing the Group A samples into A1 and A2. Similarly, we'll do this with Group B. I wouldn't expect that you would pick the same mutation to subdivide Group A as you do for Group B. It'll be interesting to see which mutation best subdivides each group. Once you've done that, you can then develop a decision process where you take the initial RPL22 mutation and then depending on whether that mutation occurred or not, you then can further classify a sample. And so what you're going to do then is be able to construct a set of decision rules or classification rules, and then you can apply those to a few examples. This is building a foundation. It's building a basic, very rudimentary decision tree, which we're going to be building upon in the coming weeks. So make sure that you carefully work each of the steps and that you understand each step of the activity for this week. There are a lot of tasks that you will need to do, so it's good that you don't need to worry about a quiz, and I would suggest that you begin working on the project as soon as possible. I wouldn't wait until a day or two before it's due. It's probably the most work of any project that we've done this semester so far. So be sure to give yourself plenty of time. And since it is foundational to most of the rest of the course, it's really worth spending the time to make sure you get these concepts understood and implemented correctly. In the future, we're going to work on variations of this decision tree. We're going to work on validating and evaluating this decision tree. We'll also work on some additional functions for making the decision about what feature to use to split at each node of the tree. What we're using right now is a very basic, simple node splitting formula. We'll learn much more sophisticated versions in the future and implement those. As always, I'm available, and if you have questions, if you get stuck, send an email to welch@ohio.edu, and when I get email from you guys in this class, I try to respond very quickly so that you can move forward with your implementations. I hope you have a great day and a great week.